Hello everyone, we are SPR Solutions from Poolesville High School. My name is Shreya Soma.
My name is Srujan Penny-Kalapati.
And my name is Arjun Rakeja. For the past few months, we have been working at OASIS Farms in Gaithersburg, Maryland.
OASIS Farms is a venue dedicated to individuals with special needs. We invite groups who support individuals with special needs to come out here and utilize our farm venue as they see fit. We also have a great deal of shredding. We have a large shredding business. The paper shred is ultimately used for a number of different purposes, one of them being fire brick making for paper fire bricks.
Paper fire bricks can be used as replacements for logs and campfires because they weigh and cost less than logs. They are made from recycled paper, but can burn for just as long as regular logs. Venkat Rajagopal enjoys separating plant seeds, making pottery, but loves to shred paper and make paper bricks using the paper he shredded. However, Venkat has autism spectrum disorder, which hinders him from completing a series of complex tasks and from properly using the current device to make consistent bricks.
To make a paper fire brick, Venkat first needs to put wet paper into the device, but he does not understand that he needs to fill the device to the very top. He then puts the press into the device and he needs to align the levers around the press in order to push the press down and compress the wet paper. However, it is difficult for him to align the levers and he needs assistance from his aide. Once he finishes compressing, the levers fall haphazardly onto the ground, and because he did not fill the device completely, he needs to reinsert wet paper, taking up more time. After 2 additional times of compressing and more prompting by his aide to fill the device to the top, the brick is finally complete.
In addition, he is constantly bending over to use the device, and the water is seen to be flowing everywhere. The total time to make one brick using the current device is about 5 minutes.
On top of these problems, the bricks made with the old device were not burning. They were simply smoldering. Our hypothesis was that the paper used was too dense, which prevented oxygen from lighting the bricks on fire. We conducted burn tests with bricks with varying densities to find the longest burning brick. And after testing, we designed the device so that Venkat puts in the correct amount of paper for the proper brick density.
In order to solve these problems, we decided to eliminate the use of a steel press and instead use a lever system. A lever system has the added benefit of torque, making it so Venkat can compress the paper with lower effort. A lever system also allows him to put all the paper for the brick in at one time.
The first prototype utilized a lever that compresses wet paper horizontally to a wall. However, Venkat would still have the problem of needing to bend over to place the paper in and remove the completed paper brick.
Our second prototype modified the first one so that instead of a lever horizontally pushing the paper against the wall, the lever is vertical. We also made a cabinet drawer system so Venkat can easily place wet paper in, compress it, and then take out the brick for drying. This became the basis for our final design.
We began constructing our final device out of PVC boards. We use PVC boards to make our device waterproof. The drawer is first locked into the cabinet to prevent movement, with the lever above the cabinet. The plunger on the lever can be aligned into the cabinet, and the lever can then be pushed down, compressing the paper.
The lever is then taken out of the cabinet and placed on a shelf, and now the lock can be removed to slide out the drawer, allowing Venkat to take out the completed paper brick. In order to collect the water that leaks out of the cabinet due to the compression, we elevated our entire device to be on a table.
After we finished the second prototype, we took our device to Venkat to see how he liked it. He was able to make a brick. However, he had trouble finding the right amount of wet paper to put in the cabinet. He also had trouble with the plunger, which wasn't easy for him to insert into the cabinet drawer system.
We went back to our device and we sanded the top of our drawer so it would be sloped. This made it smoother for Venkat to place the plunger into the cabinet.
We also added a thick, bright red line on the inside of the cabinet that would let Venkat know how much wet paper he needs to put in.
Venkat is now able to use our completed device without the prompting of his aide. His average time also went down to 2 minutes, a 60% decrease in time. This means that he can approximately make 30 working paper bricks per hour.
The paper press will not only help Venkat create paper bricks more efficiently, but it will increase his work satisfaction.
Do you like your new fire brick maker better?
I like the new fire bricks maker, Miss Deborah.
The paper press allows more people with disabilities at OASIS Farms to be involved in the process, creating multiple work opportunities.
Moreover, the paper press will save the farm hundreds of dollars as it is more durable than the original device, while also providing the employees with a source of income from selling the bricks. It provides a way to be more environmentally friendly by reusing the water saved by using the device.
Ultimately, the paper press helps Venkat and OASIS Farms reach their goals of helping people with disabilities.